Managing web applications in Plesk. This tutorial will show you how to manage web applications in Plesk. Web applications are various packages that can be installed on domains on the server by the system administrator. Before they can be installed on the domains, the applications have to be installed on the server to be available to the domains. Let's first look at the application vault, where the application packages are installed. The server should come with the application pack already installed. However, if you need to install it on a server that doesn't have it installed, the package can be downloaded from the Parallels website at. For this demonstration, we logged into Plesk as the admin user. If you're logging in as a client or domain administrator, the navigation will differ slightly and some of the options will not be available in your control panel. Whenever possible, we will note the differences in access levels in this tutorial. Click the server link. Click the Application Vault icon. Here are the packages that are installed. Additional packages can be installed using this icon. Packages can be removed by clicking the checkboxes to select the packages, then clicking the Remove Selected link. Now let's install one of the applications on one of our domains. Click the Domains link. Click the domain name. Under a client's panel, the domains owned by that client will be listed at the bottom of the main menu, accessed by clicking the Home link in the navigation panel on the left. Click the Web Applications icon. Under a Domain Administrator's panel, the Web Applications icon is located in the main menu, accessed by clicking the Home link in the navigation panel on the left. Click the Install New Application icon. Let's install WordPress. Click the Blog category. Scroll to the bottom of the list. Click the Install link. Click the I agree checkbox. Click the Next button. Here we can choose to add a custom button to our control panel to access WordPress. Because we are logged in as the admin user, we also have the option to add the custom button to either all of the client's domains or all of the domains on the server in addition to the one we're installing WordPress on. If we were logged in as the client instead of the admin, we would have the option to add the custom button to our domains, but no others. Domain administrators can only add custom buttons to their panels. Select whether it will use HTTP or HTTPS. Although we can select HTTPS here, using HTTPS will require that an SSL certificate be installed and available for the domain. For more information about SSL certificates, refer to the tutorial Managing SSL Certificates in Plesk. For security reasons, Plesk will not allow web applications to be installed on the document root for a domain or subdomain. There will be an option that we will cover later in the tutorial to configure a redirect in the document root to the subdirectory. Otherwise, if you wish to have the application on the document root, it is suggested that you do a manual install of the software instead of using the web applications in Plesk. Plesk generates a random database name and user to use for the installation. We are going to change these values to something a little more intuitive. As a convention, we have used the same name for both the database and the database user, prefixed with the primary FTP front page user for the domain for clarity's sake, and to help prevent conflicts with databases and database users on other domains on the server. Enter a password. Enter the confirm password. You can change the administrator's login if you wish. Enter a password. Enter the confirm password. Enter the administrator's email. Enter the weblog title. Click the Install button. Next, let's create the redirect we mentioned earlier. Click the checkbox to select the installation. Click the default link. Plesk will rename any existing index.html page that is in the document root in the event that you want to remove the redirect and restore it in the future. Click the OK button. Now let's remove the installation. Click the checkbox. Click the Remove Selected link. Removing a web application will remove the files, the directory, the database, and the database user. However, it will not remove any subdomains created for the installation. For more information on removing a subdomain, refer to the tutorial Managing Subdomains in Plesk. It will also not remove the redirect page and restore the original index.html file if there is one for the installation. This will need to be done manually via the File Manager accessible from the main menu. For more information on using the File Manager, refer to the tutorial Using the File Manager in Plesk. Click the Confirm Removal checkbox. Click the OK button. Plesk also has the ability to host Java-based applications for your domains. However, in order to install Java-based applications, you will need a Java container component, such as Tomcat, installed on the server first. This does not come installed by default. For more information about components, refer to the tutorial Managing Services and Components in Plesk. Currently, ASP.NET 2.0 applications are included with the other site applications in the application pack instead of being separated, as they were with ASP.NET 1.1 applications in earlier versions of Plesk. This tab is here only for legacy applications that still use ASP.NET 1.1 should you want to install one. None of these come installed by default with Plesk. Congratulations! You now know how to manage web applications in Plesk.